Welcome down to Thorpe Park and our Hyperia update for Valentine's Day. It's the 14th of February today, and a lot of work's happened since we were last here at the park. Starting off with some wide shots today, you can see exactly how tall this looks over the tree line with the new structure going up for the drop and of course the lift hill itself. Now we did wonder whether it would be 2 bits of track or 1 bit of track. We did actually bet 1 to finish off the loop. However, the stall loop is indeed going to be 2 bits of track, which means more supports are going up to support the second piece. However, since our last visit, the next piece is indeed in, which we are showing you now. It's very early in the morning, however, everything is happening. There's lots of people on sites. There's already a new support gone up with more heading up too. And as you'll see very shortly, supports are needed for the second part of the stall loop. It's not long now, as we said, it's about 7 to 10 days. We're about 7 days now until the lift hill starts. But let's give you some shots of what's going on site today. As you can see there, the gap isn't very big to go between, and the piece of track for this is on site. We're not entirely sure if it will go up today or go up over the next couple of days, given that another support structure is required. However, you will be able to see the support structure is indeed going up, and that will branch off to hold off the bit of track. But we've got extra supports going on the column where they're working on now, and you've got extra supports going on where the drop is. With a final look at this for now, let's head over and see some of the work that's going on around the station area. Last time we did show you that the door was being cut. That has continued as well, and there's still no decor in the station at the moment, but there's certainly a lot of work going on, and particularly on the exterior. They are working on the side of the building. The other stair area is having some decor put on. None yet, but they are drilling the holes for it. Here's another view of the remaining gap and indeed the support which has just been put in, which will help support up the final piece of track. Not sure we'll see the track today, but we may well do. Now over on the usual view coming out of the station, you'll be able to see that a lot of work has already gone on the retail unit, and we do indeed have gold stripes across the top. It will obviously house the on-ride photos as well as merchandise. And it's great to see a purpose-made building done for it. But yeah, lots of in-station work ongoing at the moment. As we pan across again, we'll go a little bit closer at some of the gold trim. It's great to see that all of it will indeed be themed. So they're not messing around, given the weather, as you can probably see, is a little bit cloudy, a little bit hazy. We are indeed seeing support go in, all ready for the final piece of track here, and then the construction of the lift hill. It's great to see it all come together. There's nothing like watching it all come together like a massive jigsaw, and appreciate the structure that is here. I mean, look, it just goes off in all kinds of directions. Absolutely brilliant. But Hyperia is heading to the sky. We're going to reach the peak shortly. Can't wait for it. Now then, as we pan over as well away from this one, because you can see how high this one is, you will see a very quick shot of Samurai, which are currently all wrapped up. We don't know whether the cars have actually been redone or not, because they're wrapped in black. But no painting it has begun on the rest of the ride yet. Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed it, drop us a like, let us know, and of course, we'll see you next time.